Hey guys, I'm just about to do my hair and I really wanted to show you this. I've had it for so long. I think it's actually my mom's. But anyway, this is the Babyliss Big Hair 42mm, and everyone at the moment is talking about the Remington one. It's like bigger. I feel like this comes with other attachments, but this one's odd. I feel like it's just the right size for my like thin hair. I do have extensions in, by the way, but not that many left at this stage. And then this cover can go on it to keep it clean when you're not using it. Then you literally just plug it in and turn it on. I'll show you how to use it now in a sec, because I like to give my hair a blast dry first, or else it takes ages with just that to dry it. So yeah, and then before I do any of that, I'm going to put in my leave-in conditioner. I just washed my hair quite clearly. This is by Easy Locks. It's so good, smells so good, makes your hair so easy to brush. It's just leave-in conditioner and has no sulfates or anything in it. Then this is also an Easy Locks brush that I love using. So good. These were gifted to me, but they're incredible. You can tell like all this is gone. My mom keeps stealing it, and so does my brother. My brother has like longish hair. I'm such a weirdo. I like to use that for like the bottom half of my hair mostly, like my extensions and stuff. And then because the roots of my hair gets greasy so easily, I'll use a different brush. I'm obsessed with this one. I think I got it in a hair salon, but I think AliExpress sell like knockoffs of these. So yeah, I use this for like the top of my hair. And then in the ends of my hair, I love to put a bit of this heat protector. So this is Rose Gold Oil by Easy Locks. It literally looks brand new and I've had it for ages. I've used it loads of times as well. But I just literally put the tiniest bit in the ends of my hair. It just makes your extensions really silky smooth and like just more like hair rather than straw sometimes. You know how after ages sometimes they just go a bit like they just need to be cut, and they just go like, I don't even know how to describe it, they go all over the place though. So I'm going to give my hair, I'm going to just leave that off. I'm going to dry my hair really quickly with this. I usually just focus on like in here because that's the part that's hardest to dry with it. Like the ends and the front is easy, so I usually focus on all this, and like, you know, just underneath that takes the longest to dry anyway. Okay, so now that my hair is relatively dry, the ends are a tiny bit damp, which is perfect. Might just give the ends a little spray with this so they're a little bit wetter. I actually didn't even put conditioner in today when I washed my hair because there was none in the shower that I used, so I feel like I can afford to put a bit extra of the leave-in conditioner in. Okay, so as you can see down here, it's still pretty wet, but that will all be fine. It's grand, like. And I do have like kind of bangs, like I asked for them when I got my hair cut, but she was like very scared to do them, so they're small. I feel like because my hair is so thin, like I don't have much hair on my head, it's hard because then my hair would start so far back as well, so I don't really know if I can get away with them, but I do like them. They still give me a little something something. So as you can tell, my hair is like meh, straight enough anyway, but like it needs a little something something. I love the little like just blow dried-ish look, because I've got extensions that last for a few days, so it's fucking best. So anyway, this is so easy to use, but it did take me a while to get the knack and like to realize that there's like certain ways of doing it that make it work, if you get me. So I'm going to share them with you now, because it took me like a few goes of using it. Like I did have to stick with it before I kind of got the proper gist of it. So this is obviously how you turn it on, but I didn't realize that you can press these two buttons to get this part to wind, if you get me. So I was just like winding it around myself, but you can fully, I'll show you now, it's so good, you can fully like wrap it around yourself, so I always put it on the highest heat. So the front, this is how I like to do the front. I'll show these two bits together. So when I press, I always get it wrong, one of the buttons to twist it around, see? Like I press it, it twists, which is the business. Then yeah, I just like to keep it there for a few. Also makes your hair a lot like silkier, like it doesn't have all the random bits sticking out to get me like nice and sleek. Like that straightened look, but not like really straight. There's still a bit of oomph in it. So I think that's done. So you can see the volume that gave me. So much more volume. I'll probably go over them again at the end, I usually do, but they look a lot better. So much more volume in them, which is what I want. Sometimes I'll kind of curl the ends and with it again afterwards, but we'll get on to the bulk of my hair now. I don't really have a way, like a method to the way that I like to twist. I usually do these front bits backwards, but the rest of it I usually do like downwards. To be honest, it all ends up kind of just going together, like you don't really need to worry too much about the direction. So yeah, I usually like whip it around a few times and then I'll just leave it there for like 30 seconds to like set, I feel like. And then you just unwind like that, and there we go. I want to text my dad to ask him to get marshmallows in the shop actually. Yeah, on my phone. My dad said I think I texted him saying, will you get mini marshmallows please, like PLS, and he texted back saying, why are you calling me piss? Like that's an L. It's an L, not an I. He's such a dope, he always does that as well. I feel like he's done that before. Anyway, one side done. I don't really like hairspray because I hate it when your hair goes like hard, so I love this one because I love the smell of it, and it's also not too like hard on your hair, if you get me. So I just do like the tiniest bit to hold it a little bit. It literally smells like men's cologne. And how big is this? I had a small version of this, and then I got this one from Beauty Features that I use, like an Irish online beauty website. So they're like an Irish beauty bay kind of. They sell such a good brand, so they kind of gifted me that and a couple of other things, and that was months ago, and it's still like super full. It's so heavy. So I'm going to quickly do the other side. Okay, it's definitely not the best. I think it holds a lot better when your hair is a bit more wet, so maybe take that on board, but it gives so much volume. I should actually start doing it to like the back bit of my hair, shouldn't I, for a bit of volume. That is the final look. I'm obsessed with that. I'm gonna see if I can find it online, because I do know that we've probably had a couple of years, but if not, I'll link the Remington one that everyone seems to be trying at the moment, or different ones. I'm sure there's loads of them by now. So yeah, the one that I have is Babyliss, like I said. Oh, I got hot. It's Babyliss Big hair, and it's a 42mm. Yeah, that is me ready to sit in my house and absolutely chill. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I forgot to spray. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Quite random, I just decided, fuck it, I may as well, because I finally got the hang of that and I've been using it for weeks. And I'm always asked what I use to style my hair. I also use this straightener because it has these hot blades. I used that in my last get ready with me. It was literally the video before this one, so I used that, and it gives like the same effect. You can do it slightly more curly if you want, so I'll do that usually for like a night out or something if I want to. It's so quick and easy. And also people were asking me about this hairstyle, so I literally just, what I did, I think I actually used my straightener for that. Sometimes I use my straightener after this if I want more curls, so I just left my bangs forward and tucked my hair in behind my ears like that. My ears are so red because I'm roasting. So that's literally that hairstyle. It's literally nothing special at all. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have one of these and you've got any tips for me, please let me know, because I'm still learning. And also, if you pick one up for yourself or get one for Christmas, let me know, because yeah, I just find it interesting when people use stuff that I have. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.